What up? Ben Clark here at Melrose Park, Lincoln Tech. I'm going to show you a quick rundown on how to set up the Dynasty 280. Basically, this Dynasty 280, we do any of our ferrous and non-ferrous metal working with. It's got AC capabilities with DC. As you can see, it has AC and DC TIG and AC and DC stick. Amperage knob right here and your power button. So you can see 124 amps. You can adjust it right there. It's got a menu so you can adjust for pulse settings, frequency signs, anything like that. Probably show you in a later video. On the back side here, you got your power cord, runs straight into your wall, and then your gas in, which will run to your manifold and the gas of your choice. Obviously, we don't run a lot of carbon dioxide with TIG. I just have it for the purpose of the video showing you where it runs to the manifold. All these machines here at this campus will come with their consumable packs and a couple other tools that they need to use this. On the front side here, you have your gas out, which we have directly hooked into our power cable for TIG. Sometimes when you're working in the field, your remote, gas, and power will all be bundled just into a line that comes out. Here they just run the gas straight down into the torch. Makes it a lighter torch and easier to work with. Down here you have your electrode plug-in, indicated by your little sign right here, which is nice. It's a good label system. Right here you have your ground. Miller has a notched fitting in, so this basically goes in like a keyhole and will turn right once you get it inside there. Right here we have our remote for our foot pedal. Your foot pedal controls your amperage. You can adjust. It's like driving a car. The more you push to give gas, the more power you're going to get. So with this, it's a prong system that screws right into the top. If I can find the notch, right on like that. Then twists on to control your amperage. And yeah, that's basically, it's a quick setup. It's an easy to use machine, and I know the students are going to like using it because it's versatile and user friendly.